All right, let's check back in with meteorologist Robert Suhr. And Robert, we had a taste of summer today, but rain, you're saying, may be a mainstay, not just for overnight, but maybe the whole week long.
Yeah, I mean, talk about a rinse and repeat forecast. I mean, nice days and the possibility of wet evenings, wet overnights. That's what we're really dealing with here over the next couple of days, folks. But first, real quick, a quick look back at April, since this is the first weekend in May. It was a cool April for everybody. Everybody checking in with temperatures just slightly below average. I can't remember a time when Drakefield and at XNA identical average temperatures for the month. Fort Smith a little bit warmer, but still 0.3 of a degree shy of average. In terms of rainfall, big deficits, which actually was surprising to me when I was looking up the data. Now, it doesn't mean that we're in a drought or anything. Just 1 month there, we're about everybody 2 to 3 inches below average for rainfall. Now, May is our wettest month of the year, so we'll probably make that up as we go through the rest of the month. Look at Table Rock Lake tonight. Man, you could see just a couple of boats out there this evening. Everybody out there enjoying the warm weather, and it is certainly warm as you make your way up toward the lakes. 86 in Holiday Island and Berryville, 88 in Fayetteville, Springdale, near 90 in Bella Vista. We've got 90s in the River Valley right now as we're in the lower 90s across Fort Smith, basically right along the I-40 corridor. That's where we're seeing those 90-degree readings. Look at these dew points. Pretty moist, pretty sticky. That's why it feels even warmer than those air temperatures by a few degrees. But you don't have to get too far to the west to see much drier air. There is a dry line draped across Kansas and Oklahoma and Texas, and that dry line, which you can see right here, that's what's sparking showers and thunderstorms. You see a severe thunderstorm watch. Look at all the severe thunderstorm warnings blowing up across northern Texas as a system starts to develop. That will make its way in our direction. It's going to try to, at least, in the overnight hours. You'll see that here hour by hour. Quiet tonight. If you've got outdoor plans, no problems. Once we get toward midnight and after midnight, here comes that system. Most of it should stay to our south, but it could toss some widely scattered showers or a brief thunderstorm in our direction. While most of us are asleep, I think, damaging winds would be the main threat. By the early morning hours, that continues to kind of piddle out with just some light rain possible as you get down into the Ouachitas. And by around sunrise, just some isolated showers. And then we'll clear out tomorrow, and we'll kind of do it all over again tomorrow evening with the possibility of those showers and maybe a couple of storms. And then waking up Monday morning back up into the 60s and 70s. A scattered severe storm certainly possible across the area. Better chances the further south and west you go. And as I said, this is mainly a damaging wind event with any storms that get frisky enough. Better chances for those damaging winds, again, the further southwest that you go. Lows tonight, very mild, stuck in the upper 60s. And we'll be back into the 80s for most of us tomorrow. Could see a couple more 90-degree readings. And this is a busy extended forecast, but really all you need to know as you look at this is most of the daylight hours should be dry. As we get toward the evening and overnight, that's when we're looking at the chances for those showers and storms. Impact days Monday through Wednesday because of the chances for those storms. Same thing here in the River Valley. We start to cool down though as we get toward the second half of the week, but man, keep that umbrella handy. Were the hog bats warm or cool today? Meredith Mulkey has the answer in sports after these messages.